Good evening, Brazos Valley. Currently, I want to look at the rain chances for the rest of this week into the weekend. Notice there is a small chance of rain come Tuesday and Wednesday that we'll look at just a little bit later. But Thursday and Friday, we're seeing about a 40% chance of rain for those 2 days. And even into Saturday and Sunday, it looks like it's going to be about a 50% chance of rain for both of those days as well. So for the beginning of the weekend into it, it's going to be likely to be very wet and rainy. This system right here, that's what's going to be bringing us the rain chances on Thursday and Friday. But before we get there, we have to go through Tuesday and Wednesday. All of this stuff coming in off of the Mexico region, that's what's going to be bringing us our chance of spotty showers here and there. Now, as we look at it through the pinpoint forecast, notice we are getting a lot of cloud cover, but there are a little bit of rain showers that are trying to make its way in, but are likely going to dissipate before they actually reach our area. Come Tuesday evening, a lot of those clouds are going to kind of clear out some, allowing for some very little late pieces of sunshine. Moving into Wednesday, around your drive home, we have this dry line that's going to be pushing in some storms, and that's what's going to be a possibility of some maybe slight severe weather, though that's more geared towards the weekend. Thursday morning, you're going to have where all of this severe weather is likely to start. We're seeing greatest threat of hail and winds. That's going to be about an inch-sized hail, pretty strong winds with rains anywhere from 2 to 4 inches during the weekend. Now, obviously, when we talk about severe weather, we're going to also be talking about possibilities of tornadoes. I'm not expecting anything to be super dangerous in the wakes of tornadoes, but just remember that we will break it to you first, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or even online or on air. Tomorrow, we're expecting a high of about 82 degrees, mostly cloudy, a little bit of peaks of sunshine coming in right around your lunchtime. So that'll help warm it up, and it will feel very warm tomorrow. All across the area, low 80s, which is actually going to be the story for much of the week. Notice there is that cold front coming in on Thursday, which does have that chance of rain and severe weather starting for the weekend.